Okay, so now we have a lot of the flow already done. So we have our introduction, we have our sign up, login, we have a onboarding, and we have the first tab, which is feed. Now we're going to do the second tab, which is, let's zoom in, we're going to do discover. That's pretty cool. I like that diamond. So for discover, we're going to actually use this one as a template. So you can pretty much just go here in the feed. You can duplicate the artboard. Just select, go to your artboards, select the one you want to duplicate, just duplicate it. Or you can go to actually the select the artboard tool, and then select the artboard that you want to duplicate. And then as you would duplicate any object, you can duplicate artboard. So I'm going to do Alt and drag. And now I'm duplicating this artboard. I'm going to duplicate it over here. That way it's a little bit, it's just separated from everything. It's perfect. We have it. So let's change the name of this. So instead of feed, let's change it to discover. Perfect. Liking this already. So discover is not going to have these tabs. So probably you want to first of all select it and let's say goodbye, delete. Goodbye tabs, and let's use this one. This one is going to be our template. Let's just select it, Command C. Actually, now that I think about it, probably want to keep it. Yep, we're keeping it. Sorry about that. We're keeping it. Let's press Command Shift G so we ungroup it, or just like object ungroup. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. And this one, we're going to make it center. It's already center. Let's align it to the artboard, to the middle. Perfect. But this one is going to be the discover. So let's put discover. You know what? This is not the font that we want. So just change it to the font that you're using. I'm going to be using Brandon. And you know what? I'm going to discover. I'm going to do it like this. Yeah, like it like this. Make it regular. You know what? The other ones were like this, so I'm going to do it like this. Perfect. So we're going to use this content as template. So let's use this module and this one. We can go ahead and delete the rest. So let's delete these two. Goodbye. So let's move these down. That way, the discover is going to be a little bit different. The images are going to be bigger on this module. So let's double click here. Let's move this down. And then we're going to adjust it later. Right now, let's double click on this one. And then let's just select here, the path. So right now it's 400. Let's make it, I don't know, what do you say, 600? Let's make it 620. You know, you want to display the images a little bit bigger. So double click outside, and now you have this, but there's this separation, so let's just align it. So let's do this, let's drag it, boom, we have it. Now let's change this image. This one is going to be file, place, remember, the same drill. We're just repeating the same actions. Well, let's select a different kind of image. I don't know, these images are going to be a little bit more artsy. So let's use this one. Here's the discovery process. So we're not actually, this module is more to grabbing the user's attention in a different way. Not a specific product, but I don't know, like a look, you know? So we have that. Let's change it to fall ornaments. And let's change it to starting at $48.99. Nice. Let's we have this. Let's duplicate it. Just Alt, Shift, and drag. Now we have this. Let's double click here. Let's change the image. Let's say delete. Let's go to File, Place. Select a different one. Ooh, I like that one. How about this one? This one is cool. I like the background. Let's put it here. Drag and drop. And wow, it's looking nice, right? So this one is going to be I'm bored. No, I'm not bored. I'm excited. Clutch. Wow. Starting at $18.99. Oh yeah. Look at that. This is looking good. This is a really nice app you're designing, guys. Congratulations. Let's drag this. Let's add another module. Let's make it more interesting, you know? Let's add one of these. And remember, Alt, Shift, drag. Have another module. Let's align it with these ones, these little guys. So just press Shift, intersect. Perfect. Now we have all this space that is not being used. It's outside the artboard. Remember, just go here to your artboard tool, press it, and then you have this, and just drag. Drag, snap it to the bottom. Boom, baby. We got it. Let's double click and change this image. What do you say? Double click, clickety clack, goodbye, and file place. You know the drill. You know what we're doing. Look at this one. This one looks fantastic. Boom. Man, we're good. This is looking really nice. Don't you think? People, your client is going to be like, how did you do it? You are amazing. You're going to be all like, yeah, I was taught by the best. Which is me, obviously. Okay, perfect. So we have this module, these discovery modules. We're gonna keep them. So, but there's this space in here. Let's just fix it. Let's drag this and intersect. Boom! It's perfect. Now we have all this white space. We want that white space. So just go to the artboard tool and drag and. You're getting really good, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is an attractive app. This is a fancy app. Boom. We got our discovery tab ready, but we actually don't have it selected here. We have to change it, you know? So let's make it active. Let's go to the bottom, zoom in. Now you have your tabs. And let's double click here. Let's double click here. Double click on the icons. Now this one, we want it to be this color because this is the one that is going to be active. So you can do this. You can select the stroke and apply the color, or here's a tip. You're gonna like this one, which is the eyedropper. So with the eyedropper, we actually are copying the style from whatever you want to copy the style. So we're going to copy it from here. Perfect. Now you grab the color. And this one, since it's inactive, you want to copy the style from an inactive icon. So the same, press the eyedropper, select it, and then let's click here. God, we're good. Look at that. Now we need the text. Let's do the text real quick. Okay, double click until you're there. So First, let's select this. Let's press the eyedropper. Select this one. Oh, not that one. This one. Oh, not this active. But we want to make this inactive. So select it, eyedropper, and you can click here, or let's do the old-fashioned way. So select your fill here, and then select the color. Wow, look at that. That's a sexy, sexy app. We have the Discover active. It's like somebody pressed already. We have these really big modules with really big images. I want to click on them, you know, I want to press on them. This is nice. Okay, so now after this, we're actually going to pause on these, and we're going to create a product, you know, a detailed page of a product. That's gonna be cool. So stay tuned for that.